If you want to set up Google Fit with your Galaxy Fit 3, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now first of all, just pair your Galaxy Fit 3 with your Android phone through the Galaxy Wearable app. After you do that, now for the next step is just open the Google Play Store and in the search bar just search this. Now just install the Samsung Health app on your smartphone. After you do that, then tap on Open. Now just set up the Samsung Health app with the same Samsung account which you used to sign into the Galaxy Wearable app. After you completely set up the Samsung Health app, now under the Home section, just tap on the three dots over here and go to Settings. Under Settings, you will find the option of Health Connect. Just tap on it, then tap on OK. And from here, just tap on Get Started, then tap on Got It. Now just tap on App Permissions, then tap on Samsung Health. Then enable this toggle. Now after you enable the toggle for Allow All, then go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store one more time. Now this time in the search bar just search this. Then install Google Fit on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. Now from here just set up Google Fit. Just select your email account, then tap on Continue. From here just enter your gender, then enter your date of birth. After you have entered your date of birth, then tap on Save and tap on Confirm. Most of the time these informations are correct. So if the informations are correct, you will not have to enter them again. Then tap on Weight and enter your weight. After you enter your weight, then tap on OK and tap on Height. Now just select your height. After you enter your height, then tap on OK and tap on Next. Tap on Turn On and select Allow. Once you have set up Google Fit, then tap on Next. Now just enter your daily goals. Now after you have completely set up Google Fit on your Android phone, then the next step is to sync Google Fit with Health Connect. Tap on Get Started over here and tap on Set Up. Now just make sure you enable Allow All. After you enable Allow All, select Allow, then tap on Done. And once you do that, you will use Health Connect as the middleman to connect your Google Fit account with your Samsung Health account. Just like that. And after you have done that, you will set up Google Fit on your Galaxy Fit 3. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.